Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an augmented reality app using ManoMotion SDK Lite for Android. By the end of this video, you will be able to draw in real world using your hand. The first step is to create an empty project in Unity and change platform to Android. To get ARFoundation in your project, open the Unity editor and navigate to the Window tab and select the option of Package Manager. You are going to need the ARFoundation package as well as the AR core counterparts. I strongly recommend to use the supported and stable versions only for this project. Next step is to import ManoMotion SDK Unity package into the project and make sure that all of the necessary parts of the package are selected. I am going to start my project from my first scene and build upon it with the key components that I am going to need. I am going to remove the default camera from the scene and instead replace it with the AR session origin component that has the AR camera there as a child. This is the main camera of the scene that your other scripts and game objects might need. For your convenience, mark it as the main camera as well. Finally, I am going to add an AR session component that is going to give me all the info regarding the status of the session. For the hand interaction components, all that I need is the AR ManoMotion Manager and the ManoMotion Canvas. We are going to use ManoMotion Continuous Gesture to spawn instances of a prefab to our scene. As a reminder, continuous gestures are the gesture information that happens in every frame. So when the user performs a continuous gesture, we are going to spawn a game object. To do so, I will make an empty game object and attach a custom script that I wrote that implements this feature. I named this script Interaction Holder since it is the main functionality that implements. With this in place, I am using GameObject variable where I will place the object that I am going to spawn every time I perform the closed hand gesture. As a matter of fact, for this specific video, I have created a prefab out of spare primitive. With my prefab ready, I can now return to my script and start receiving hand information from ManoMotion. To do that, I am accessing the ManoMotion Manager instance and retrieving the hand info at every frame. We want to be able to spawn a prefab every time we perform the continuous gesture. So what I am going to do next is to get the currently detected Mano class is of continuous gesture and check if it's of type closed hand. When the continuous gesture is detected, I am going to instantiate an instance of the prefab and set its transform position to the palm center of hand. As with all of the interactions so far, I am going to once again get the hand information by accessing the ManoMotion Manager instance. I have decided to make this interaction point follow my palm when I have my hand in the Mano class closed hand gesture. To achieve this, I am going to be checking what is the currently detected Mano class on each frame and specifically if it's of type closed hand gesture. I am asking the ManoUtilist class to give me the 3D position by passing the estimated depth value for the entire hand. To compile my project, I am going to choose the platform of my choice, Android, and let the default settings of the project be as they are. The script ManoMotion setup has already set the requirements for the camera, file system as well as the project package name. The color changing part of prefabs spawned is just an animation. That was it for this tutorial. If you encountered any issue, feel free to contact me through Discord.